Now here I'm going to talk about what I have in my boot. Not in the front, just in the boot. This is part safety kit, parts creature comforts, and part car maintenance. First of all, it's a blanket. It's a nice warm blanket. This is actually very warm. It's got feathers inside. It's polyester or synthetic on the outside. You can wrap yourself in it like there. If your car breaks down and there's no heating, this is a good piece of kit to have. You can get this from Amazon. This was bought for me as a gift, and it's a gift I was truly thankful for. My next bit of kit is something obvious. You live in England, you can't go far without it, an umbrella. I'm a family man, so and I'm a tall guy, I'm 6'2 plus, so I've got a big golfing umbrella. I have it bright orange because if I'm broken down or I'm by the roadside, I do not want to get hit by other vehicles or pedestrians or cyclists. I want to be seen, so that's why I have an orange. And my gym bag. I always preach about fitness on my vlogs. I would be a hypocrite not to have my gym bag. It has everything I need for my gym life, which is swimming. Now what we have here in this little kit bag, I have my valeting. So where I buff the car with the sprays, I have my buffing cloth, I have my window cloth, sorry, that's my window cloth here, yeah. I also have a piece of tape, black muscle, because this is a good piece of handy kit. You never know what you might need to take, and you want it to be durable. Tape, and then I have, last but not least, Swiss Army knife or Leatherman's. It's got the screwdrivers, it's got a little knife on the back, and pliers. And I've got Allen keys. And I've got these things for Halfords. I got this from when I was in the military many years ago, and I swear by it. The little case itself you can get from Amazon or even on TikTok. It's actually a makeup bag that it comes in useful because it's see-through, you can see what's going on. It's a great bit of kit to have. Now when it comes to cleaning the car, I like this brush. This brush is very simple. It's something you can Google. I think you can get it on eBay, you can get it on Amazon. It's thin. It goes in between that space in between the seats where I put the filler, car filler now, but before then where you get bits of food or whatever that goes down there, you can brush it out. The good thing about this brush, it actually comes off, so if this handle's getting in the way a bit, I can just do it like there. It comes with a dustpan, and the dustpan allows it to clip in there, and it slides into the compartment where needed. I've got an old-fashioned brush. I would recommend get a harder brush than this. I've yet to update this, but I will. This will get up all those bits in the carpet, loosen them up before you use the hoover. Talking about hoover, what I like in this hoover here, this is the old Black & Decker hoover. Very powerful. It opens up, you can clean it out yourself, just bang it out, bang the rubbish in there. It's got the old cigarette lighter charger, so for my Skoda Enyaq I plug it in the back. It comes with this, acts as a hoover element. You've got the brush element, and I've had this hoover for about 2-3 years, so you can see it's well worn but it's still in use, and that's to get into tight places. Now for hygiene purposes, this is wet wipes. It's industrial wet wipes. It was given to me. It came in a bucket, and what I've done, I put them in 2 IKEA bags, and they unravel, and I just wipe down the seats. I disinfect the whole car. I even wipe down the mats, and I just discard them in the ordinary fashion. I also have, in my case, it's winter now, I have a buffalo jacket. buffalo jacket is very nice. It's fleece on the inside. It's shower proof from the outside. It keeps you warm. It zips up on the side. This is a good piece of kit to have. If you do go out without a jumper, a jacket, I would recommend you get one of these. Everything I have in this car can be compacted down because in a car like mine, do not have that much space. Now the other day, a while ago, I took my daughter to Wales because she's a student in Wales, and I got a flat tyre. This is a piece of kit that will save your life. There's a difference between a flat tyre and a split tyre. A split tyre is when the tyre is irreparable. Flat tyre where you've got a little slow puncture or a rapid puncture and it's gone flat. You can pull that nail out, or that pin or whatever it is, or that piece of rock. You can pump this into that car valve. Yeah, shake it up, pump it into that car valve, just pressing the nozzle on this, and then you ride for 10 minutes slowly round in a circle, and then you pump it up some more, and then you're good to go for, they say up to 100 miles. I drove 1,000 miles on it. I would swear to God for this. Now, you do get the electric pump that comes in your car as well. Oh, sorry. You get an electric pump system. And now if you look at this pump system here, it shows you manuals. Now you do get the liquid fluid that designed for this, where you just connect it into here and it pumps the fluid directly in there as the air's pumping in. It's much more convenient. I do need to update this fluid because this was given to me by somebody kind passerby in Wales, just in case I need to do it again when I was trying to get home. But these are a must-have piece of kit, especially if you have an electric car. So where you have an electric car, you do not have a spare tyre. Now if you've got Teslas, they may have run flats on, but for someone in my business, I don't drive Teslas. You do need to have these bits as kits. Last but not least, a flask. It's winter time. This is a good old size flask. It's good for 12 hours. I heat it up with hot water, leave it for 5 minutes, reboil the kettle, throw the hot water out, put fresh hot water in there, seal it up. That will give me at least 24 hours before it's gone totally cold. I recommend you have one of these in the back of your car at all times. You can top it up every other day if you don't use it. It's a good thing to have. Last but not least, plastic bag, heavy duty bags. You can never have enough of these. The plastic bags double up as 6 bags. They go in the back of the seat, but that'll be another video for another day. These, you don't know what you may need to carry. It's good to have some folded up, put away to the side. If you've got any questions on what I've shown you today, feel free to ask. I will put the links down to the products I have purchased down below. If I haven't, it's because they don't do it anymore, because I've been driving around with this for many years, and as I said, I don't promote stuff that I have not used before.